So last lecture we have seen product of matrices. So this example, in this example we will use product of matrices. If A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, show that A square minus 4A is a scalar matrix. Okay. So A square means A into A. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अभी यहाँ पे A इंटू A दोनों का प्रोडक्ट लेना है हमें A इंटू A. So when we take the product of matrices, consider row of first matrix and column of second matrix. So first element we get row of first matrix, column of second matrix. The second element row of first matrix, second column, then third column. Okay. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Now first row, second column, 2 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 4, that is a 8. Third column, third row, 1, 2, 2, again 8. Similarly, now working of R1 is over. Consider R2. 2, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 4, that is a 9. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 2, that is a 8. Now R3 multiply to this C1. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4, that is a 8. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4, which is equal to, similarly here 9. Now 4A. 4 into A, which is equal to 4. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. 2, 2, 1. अभी यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4, 8, 8. 4 को ये मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 8, 4, 4. 8, 8, 4. Now A square minus 4A here. A square minus 4A is equal to, okay, A square will be like this. A square will be like this. 9, 8, 8 and 4A will be this. Now subtract this. 9 minus 4, that is a 5. 8 minus 8, 0. Similarly here 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 4, 5, 0. 0, 0, 5. Okay. So this is a scalar matrix and this we have to prove. Because scalar matrix, here diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay. Now next example we will see. चालू करेल. Next example, if capital A is equal to 3, 4 minus 4, 3 and capital B is equal to 2, 1 minus 1, 2. Here we have to show that A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. As we know that A plus B, A minus B, which is equal to A square plus AB minus BA minus B square. But we have to show that this A square minus B square means this term is a both are same. Means that is we have to show that AB is equal to BA. Okay. So AB is equal to BA. So take the product A, AB. So AB, which is equal to AB 3, 4 minus 4, 3. B, which is equal to 2, 1 minus 1, 2. Now अभी product लेंगे. First row is multiplied to this column. What we get? 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Row as it is. 3 plus 8, 11. Minus 4, minus 8 minus 3, minus 11. Minus 4 plus 6, 2. Now B into A. Take the product B into A. So for B into A, B 2, 1 minus 1, 2. And A 3, 4 minus 4, 3. Take the product. Therefore 6 minus 4, 2. 8 plus 3, 11. Minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. again minus 4 plus 6, that is a 2. Okay. So from first and second we can write that AB is equal to, which is a very simple example. If you are here, you are given A and B, A which is equal to like this 3 4 minus 4 3, B is equal to 2 1 minus 1 2. We have to show that A plus B, A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. As we know that A plus B, A minus B, which is equal to A square plus AB minus BA minus B square. अभी इधर LHS ये दोनों का LHS सेम है, लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे हमें A स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर दिखाना है, मतलब ये जो टर्म है ये क्या है, एब्सेंट है ना. AB माइनस बी ए मीन्स AB माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड AB माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स AB इज इक्वल टू बी. सो A इंटू बी प्रोडक्ट लिया, 2 11 minus 11 2. Similarly B into A, which is also 2 11 minus 11 2. So from first and second AB is equal to BA. This we want to prove. Okay. Next example. Next example, find XYZ if 3 into this matrix 2 0 0 2 2 minus 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 1 2 3 1 1 2, which is equal to x minus 3 y minus 1 2z. Okay. Now simplify this, multiply by 3. Yes, what we get, 6 0 0 6 6 minus 6 minus 4, multiply by 4 4 4 minus 4 8 12 4 1 2, which is equal to this we are given, that is x minus 3 y minus 1 2z. Now 6 minus, simplify this, 6 minus 4 2 0 minus 4 minus 4 6 minus minus यहाँ पे plus 6 minus 8 minus 2 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 6 minus 10 and this 1 2, which is equal to x minus 3 y minus 1 2z. Okay. Now this row is multiplied to this column. Yes, what we get, that is a 2 minus 8 2 minus 8 minus 6 4 minus 4 0 minus 6 minus 6 minus 20, that is a minus 26. Okay. So we get this, x is equal to x minus 3 y minus 1 2z. Okay. And using equality of matrices we can write here, that is minus 6 equal to x minus 3, 0 is equal to y minus 1, minus 26 equal to 2z. Okay. Now using this first equation, that is a minus 6 x minus 3. So minus 6 is equal to x minus 3, x is equal to minus 6 plus 3, so which is equal to x equal to minus 3. Y minus 1 equal to 0, the value of y is equal to 1. Minus 26, so z is equal to minus 30. So we get the value x equal to minus 3, y is equal to 1, z is equal to minus 30. So in this way, if we are given this, we can solve the exam.